Are you seeing this message? Permission required. The Google app need permission to access some things on your device. In this video, I will show you how to fix it within a minute. First, go to your phone settings. Then scroll down and find the apps option. Now tap on apps. Now find and tap on the Google app from the list. Now tap on permissions option. Make sure to allow permission like microphone, location, storage and contact, whatever it's asking for. Tap each one and set it to allow while using the app or allow. After giving permission to all of these, the problem should be fixed. If it's still not working, then go back and clear data. That's it, the error should now be gone and your Google app should working perfectly. If you have any questions, then comment below. Thank you.